Hi friends, RITES, a Government of India enterprise and a Mini Ratna Central Public Sector, is inviting applications for apprenticeship training program for the financial year 2021-2022 from the degree means engineering and also non-engineering and also diploma and ITI pass out candidates. So if you see the apprenticeship category in the stipend details, graduate apprentice will get a stipend of 14,000 per month. And in this graduate apprentice category, essential qualifications is engineering degree, that is BE BTech people can apply, and also non-engineering graduates, that is from BA, BBA and BCom people can apply, and these are the vacancies for engineering and non-engineering graduates. Also, diploma apprentice will get people will get stipend of 12,000 per month. That is engineering diploma only, and vacancies is 15. And ITI candidates will get stipend of 10,000 per month. And ITI pass out any trade, and vacancies are 35. And if you see here, essential qualification for engineering people, candidate should possess full years of full-time degree in engineering, and in the case of non-engineering, 3 years of full-time course is eligible, and 3 years full-time course of diploma or ITI is required. And here, eligibility criteria: the candidate should possess 60% of marks aggregate for general or EWS candidates, and 50% marks in aggregate in the case of OBC, non-creamy layer candidates, and SC, ST, and PWD candidates. Candidates from all over India can apply. It is the reservation details, and the candidate should be eligible with respect to the educational qualification. Means on or before you should possess the qualification. The date should be 12/5/2021. Means if your candidates are waiting for the results, cannot apply. So, and also you should complete your engineering degree and engineering diploma in 2018 or after 2018. Means 2018, 2019, 2020 candidates can apply. 2021 candidates, if you are waiting for the results as on date 12/5/2021, you cannot apply. So the candidates from engineering degree and engineering diploma were completed in the 2018 or after, means 2018, 19, 20, and 2021 candidates, if you got the results, you can apply. Most probably 2021 candidates may not be uh, applicable for this apprenticeship program. Means if you are waiting for the results, you cannot apply as on the date mentioned here. You can read this step. Candidate should be eligible with respect to the educational qualification as on closing date of advertisement 12/5/2021. Candidates awaiting results in the essential qualifications as mentioned in the Annexure 1 are not eligible, hence need not to apply. And candidates has to register in the NATS portal. So this will be, I'll tell afterwards. The candidate should have undergone apprentice training earlier or pursuing apprentice training. You cannot apply. So prior to applying for the apprentice training vacancies in RITES, the engineering degree and diploma candidates who have not registered with the NATS portal are required to register. So this is for apprentice traineeship portal. So you have to register in NATS portal. And the candidates from ITI and BA, BBA, BCom candidates are registered with NAPS portal. So engineering degree and engineering diploma candidates has to register with NATS portal, and ITI pass out candidates and BA, BBA, BCom candidates has to register with apprenticeshipindia.org, that is NAPS portal. So once registered on the NATS or NAPS apprentice portal as mentioned above, the interested candidates need to submit their details by clicking this link. So this link I will provide in the description. And also after submitting the details in this through this link, so this is a link for Google Forms. Okay. So first of all, you have to register with NATS or NAPS portal, corresponding portal. After register, you have to once again come back to this link and you have to provide your details. In that it will ask this registration numbers, and also after that you have to scan these copies of original copy of certificates and ID cards, essential certificate, that is mark sheet for all years and semesters, the degree or diploma or ITI, and for date of birth, matriculation certificate or Aadhaar card or driving license in which date of birth is mentioned clearly, and ID proof, that is Aadhaar card, driving license or voter ID, anything, and any caste certificate. So these should be scanned, and this application form is given in this notification, so you can download that PDF, that pages. I will give this PDF link in the description. So you have to fill that application. So I will show that application form. So this is the application form. So this will be in this PDF. So you can download this and you can fill, or you can type, or you can fill this in capital letters by writing, and you have to paste the photograph, and you have to enclose the required certificates, and all this should be scanned. All this means application form and required documents, your mark sheets and date of birth proof and ID proof. So these are scanned and you have to submit to the email ID. So to this email ID you have to submit this filled application form, and also your mark sheet of all semesters and years, and also date of birth proof, and also ID proof. And you have to keep this with you. If they ask to submit at the time of verification, you have to submit this filled application and this proofs. So once again I will repeat this application procedure. First of all, if you are belonging to the engineering degree and diploma candidates, you have to register with NATS portal, and if you are from ITI and BA, BBA, become candidates, has to register with NAPS portal. And after registering, you have to go to this link, and here I already told this is a Google form. So you have to fill your details, and also after that you have to fill the application form, and also you have to keep ready your mark sheets and the date of birth proof and ID proof. So all these should be scanned and should be sent to this mail ID. So this is only the application procedure, and no other means and mode of application shall be accepted other than what is mentioned here, that is 3A and 3B and 3C, 3B and 3C. Candidates must ensure that they complete these steps 3B and 3C, means this one and this one, both should be completed after registering in these portals. This step should be, means you have to go to this link, you have to fill your details in the Google form, and after that you have to fill the applications and application form, and also you have to scan this application form and also all your certificates, and you have to send to this mail ID. So anyway, I will provide this detailed notification link, so you can read out this full notification carefully and you can apply. Selection procedure will be on the merit list and also on the age criteria, means higher age, higher is the position in the merit list. If means in the case of both candidates having same percentage, means same percentage secured more than one candidate, so there will be age preference will be given. The shortlisted candidate shall be informed through email and uploading RITS, means you have to check your email and RITS portal after application regularly. So, and these are some of the general instructions given here. You can notice this point, means organization shall have no obligation to offer regular employment to apprentice during and or after the completion of apprenticeship period. Means this is a chance you can get. Means after application or during the application you can get the regular position also. This is a point to be considered. And during the apprenticeship training, means apprenticeship training is only for 1 year and shall not be extended. Means if they require, they will absorb you as a permanent employee, and if they won't require, after 1 year they may relieve you. And so you have to read the application, and if you have any doubts, you can ask through this mail ID. So when you are writing, you have to mention these details carefully. So these are the discipline-wise vacancies and the tentative place of postings. So you can read out anyway. I'll give the link. These are some of the abbreviations given. So this is application form I already told. So anyway, thanks for watching. So please subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel, and also please share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.